morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to Coffee Talk. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I am here to have my second cup of coffee with you because I can. So welcome. Today I want to talk about a self-care thing that you can add to your routine that I highly recommend. It is mentioned several times in the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guidebook that you can get on Amazon. And it's all about sitting quietly. It is the end of the week. And what better way to end the week than to get in your favorite chair, grab your favorite beverage, and just be quiet. That's so easy. That's the end of the instructions. It is in the quiet moments that we can have the most inspiration, that we can have aha moments and realize maybe there's something in our routine, maybe there's something in our schedule that's not serving us, that's not working, or conversely, something that is you're rocking and you're like, I need more of that in my life. So that is my challenge for you. And if that sounds like a challenge, then just set a timer. Try 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and just sit quietly. One of my favorite little prompts that I love to ask my brain is, or just start a sentence like, wouldn't it be nice if? And if you're sitting quietly and you ask your brain, wouldn't it be nice if, and just see what comes up. I know in the past I would say, wouldn't it be nice if I had Fridays off? It is nice. And sometimes it's just the start of your imagination getting wound up. And your imagination can't really go wild if you're distracted by many things, if you're moving and shaking and doing all the things. But if you're sitting quietly and asking your imagination, wouldn't it be nice if? So that's my challenge for you. If self-care is one of your goals for 2022, then I have your back. I believe that every woman deserves a self-care routine fit for a queen. So there's a couple of ways that you can refine your self-care routine. Number one, I have a challenge going on right now. It's a 14-day self-love challenge. The link is in the bio. And they're just 14 suggestions or reminders to take really good care of yourself. So there's that. Now, also starting on Monday in my Nest Pretty Facebook group, I'm going to do a 5-day training about self-care, and I'm really excited about it. I'm going to talk about stuff I've never talked about before, so join me over there. So that's all I have for you. If you can, I know I have a couple of mamas on here, and I know it's no doubt a huge challenge to sit quietly. But the reward is so incredible. I know back in the day when we had a more demanding schedule, I had to tell Judah not to talk to me in the morning. For the first hour, I really needed that time to come up to speed and to become human again. Now that our schedule is not as demanding as it once was, we can chat as soon as we wake up, and that was so rude. The little lady inside of my phone, she wanted to know if she should set an alarm for me, so sorry about that. So as I was saying, during your lifetime, there may be more seasons where you need more quiet than others. That's what I have found. But regardless, maybe just putting it on the calendar for the end of the week to think about like what you have accomplished, number one, celebrate what you accomplished, number two, and let your imagination go wild. Wouldn't it be nice if, I dare you. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope you have a fantastic Friday. Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you get some shh time. You deserve it. Bye.